Wow. So right now, I'm addicted to honey. I'm not teaching you guys what to do, but I am fucked right now. I need to throw this away because this is making my French toast taste way too good, and I'm basically binging on it. I binged last night off of this too. This morning I woke up doing the same thing. Even as I'm saying this, I'm uh, salivating for this, and it's just terrible. I'm eating this right now. I'm still thinking about the oatmeal that I have in the microwave. I'm thinking as soon as I finish with this, I'm gonna go into the microwave and eat that too. Why? Just because I feel like, man, wouldn't it be awesome to have that addition? Weird, right? Well, I'm already going over calories by doing this. And then I say, okay, fuck it, I want to get that too. So this just makes no sense to me. This binge eating mentality that I have. That ultimately I need to abolish from my mind in order to get to the physique that I want to get to. Now, some of you might be wondering, okay, why don't you use 0-calorie maple syrup instead? Well, I did, but that also caused me to binge. Because I would put like this much maple syrup, then the next day I would put this much maple syrup, then the day after that I would put this much maple syrup, the day after that I would do 1 bottle a day. So it was a slippery slope, and I basically go out of control. Because if something tastes that good, I want to eat more and more of it. So now I switched to honey because I figured, well, I'm not going to overuse this because I know it's very high in calories. It's about a 3.0 multiplier. So, anyways, I'm going to... Oh, fuck. So anyways, I gotta throw this away for sure. Either that or I gotta discard this French toast recipe in general because at the moment it's in every single binge that I have. And I have my binge like every 2 days and I'm gaining weight for sure. I was 178 now a week ago, and now I'm like 182, so I still have this sugary taste left in my mouth, and it makes me want to eat more. I feel like I need to eat more, even though I'm already full. That is the power of sugar, and too dangerous. Here I am back again. Another full thing of French toast that I prepared the day before. And now I really feel like eating this, and I'm probably going to. And I don't want to. Fuck. If you don't solve the problem, you're gonna stay fat. If I don't solve the problem, I'm gonna stay fat. Another reason why it might be binging is that yesterday I sprinted a lot for like I was running around the park for like 2 hours. That could have increased my hunger, and so now I actually have the hunger to eat all this food. Now I'll tell you this: if this was raw carrots or raw celery, I would not be doing this, even with the honey. But the fact that these toasts are 100 calories per slice, so they have a fair amount of calories inside of them, makes me want to eat more. But if these were celery sticks, hell no, I wouldn't be eating that many celery sticks. Okay, now I'm starting to get really full. And when I say full, my stomach was full by the time I got done with the first round of French toast. So about 20 minutes ago. But now I'm starting to get sick of it. So I don't know. My body is telling me, like, sending some hormones saying like, "Hey man, we're done. This is way over what I need." I think that's what my body is saying. It's probably releasing some hormone, maybe leptin, that's saying that. Although I don't know if leptin is. Anyways. See, a skinny person would have stopped a long time ago, but someone not like me or like us would have stopped right there. But because I'm me, or because I'm in this current frenzy right now, I keep going. Kind of reminds me of like when you eat the cake without the frosting, and you just have that cake part left, and after a couple bites, you're sort of like, yeah, I don't really want to eat it anymore. That's what it's kind of like right now. But cake tastes good. And after this, I'm gonna throw away the cake, throw away the honey. So I might as well finish it because it's the last time I'll be having it, right? Because after this, I'm gonna throw away the honey. Well, at least it's better to do this in the morning than in the night. Because in the morning, I'm able to, at least do some exercise or move around or go do stuff, get myself distracted. That'll burn off some calories. Although, I guess it's equally bad. So the thing is, I want to just leave this alone. But I know if I leave it alone, I'll eat it again a few hours later. So I kind of want to eat it now. But it's probably better to eat it a few hours later than to eat it now. So I'm going to do that. And this will go into the trash. Here, you guys can follow me. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, don't let my positive disposition fool you. I'm actually not very happy with myself right now. Alright. Let's throw some salt in there. Actually, you guys know what's up. Dishwasher soap. The best thing ever. See, the reason I do this is that it prevents me from overeating. Or I'm picking it up back from the trash. So this has been completely disposed of. No chance of me eating this again. And see? Alright. Into the trash it goes. Wash your hands for COVID. And that's that.